Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're still on I-40 West in North Carolina, beginning at mile 135 in Catawba County. We enter the city of Conover, which is part of the Hickory, Lenoir-Morganton Metropolitan Statistical Area and Charlotte Metropolitan Area. The city of Conover began to develop in the mid-1800s as a Y intersection of the railroad traversing North Carolina. Although originally called Y-Town, legend says the name Canova was adopted but transposed to Conover over several years. The city of Conover was chartered in 1876 and incorporated in 1877. Conover is located in the geographic center as well as the population center of Catawba County. As of 2016, the city had a population of 8,331. Conover is home to the transportation office for NASCAR as well as to Dale Jarrett Incorporated and Morgan Shepherd Racing Ventures. We leave Conover and enter the city of Hickory, which had an estimated population of 40,611 in 2017. Legend has it that in the 1850s, under a huge hickory tree, Henry Robinson built a tavern of logs. The City of Hickory Tavern, co-founded by Dolph Shuford, was established in 1863, and the name was eventually changed to the City of Hickory in 1873. The first lot was sold to Henry Link for $45 in 1858. His house is now known as the 1859 Cafe, a restaurant which closed in 2011. Hickory was also one of the first towns to install electric lights in 1888 and a complete sewerage system in 1904. We enter Burke County and the town of Hildebran, the name of which was derived from the birth name of Pope Gregory VII. Hildebran has a population of 2,006 people as of 2016. Burke County had a population of 88,851 in 2016. We enter the town of Connelly Springs, named for the first settler on record, William Lewis Connelly, a colonel in the North Carolina militia. Colonel Connelly took in boarders who were looking to spend a night during a long journey. During this time, a settlement grew, which was then known as Happy Home, and a post office was established. In 1885, Mrs. Elmira Connelly discovered a mineral spring thought to be beneficial in healing a large number of diseases. The popularity of Mrs. Connelly's mineral spring led to the construction of the Connelly Mineral Springs Hotel, a 50-room hotel that was built along the railroad tracks and near the mineral spring. As the town grew, it became known as Connelly Springs and was incorporated as such on May 4, 1920. We enter the town of Rutherford College, named for a school that was located there in the 1800s. Rutherford College had a population of 1,323 as of 2016. We enter the town of Valdese, which had a population of 4,477 as of 2016. We conclude our video here at exit 112. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos are published. Check out our merch at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.
Merch.
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 Merch.